The DDBrix workshop was very engaging. There was so much conversation going on, so many questions that throughout the day became answered. I'm Kristin McLaughlan, Director of Marketing at HSO Canada. The DDBrix workshop was very engaging. There was so much conversation going on, so many questions that throughout the day became answered, and it was very fun to see all the different scenarios and the different departments and trying to kind of piece together what every role is and what's important in each role and kind of just how to make everything a lot more efficient. I think as a marketer, it was a really fun and engaging session. I learned a lot about the DDMRP methodology and how it works specifically within Microsoft Dynamics 365. I think that there are a lot of differences between Dynamics MRP, and then when you can pair that with DDMRP's methodology, it's a beautiful thing.
Stop managing